Planet Diaper Bag, Jewel Woods, large by Planet Wise is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. These machine washable, waterproof bags are perfect for carrying your wet and dirty items. Planet Wise wet bags are innovatively sewn with hidden, sealed seams for no leaking. Planet Wise wet bags also resist most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Available in 3 sizes, small 7, 5x10, medium 12, 5x16 and large 17 inches by 21. Large size comes with snap handle. Made in the USA. Innovative, patent pending, leak-free design resists most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Antimicrobial, PVC and lead-free with locking zipper. Designer cotton outer with coordinating waterproof inner. Machine wash warm, tumble dry lower hang to dry, no bleach or softeners.